difficult for them to stay consistent with what the regimen looks like. That's where I kind of come in.
Introducing Venus Moore, an extraordinary Los Angeles-based celebrity personal trainer, athletic strength and conditioning coach, and an inspiring fitness motivator.
But again, I was doing intermittent fasting, which means that I eat within an 8-hour window.
She stands as a testament to defying age and embodies a level of youthness, fitness, and physical prowess that surpasses women half her age.
You're eating foods that have no nutritional value. What do? They only create unhealthy weight.
Curious to know the remarkable secret to her youthfulness? Join Venus on an immersive journey in this captivating video, where she unveils the key to her timeless appearance. Brace yourself as she candidly shares her diet and workout routine, unraveling the secrets behind her youthful glow. But that's not all.
When you take care of your body and you feed it right, it will show up for you.
By staying engaged till the end, you'll be granted access to the exclusive knowledge of 3 foods this esteemed celebrity personal trainer seriously avoids.
So helping them create a meal plan for them that they enjoy and that they can actually stay consistent with.
Be amazed as Venus more gracefully guides you through her transformative story. Before starting as a personal trainer, Venus worked as an actress and print model, but was an avid workout enthusiast. After leaving the entertainment business in 2010, she dedicated her life to getting into the best shape of her life while she decided what her next move would be. Then she realized her passion for fitness and decided that she wanted to help others achieve the same success she did. Combining her expertise in fitness and nutrition with her entrepreneurial spirit, she created Body by Venus, a business that provides those on their health journeys with the tools they'll need to find proper fitness and food regime.
I think having those components can create a successful journey for someone that's just getting started.
According to Venus, consistency with your goals is the magic in achieving visible and sustainable health results. Speaking on her workout routine, Venus says, I typically train in the early morning. If I do eat before I train, it's usually a meal replacement shake or a banana. After my workouts, I'll have a post-recovery protein shake. Speaking further, she revealed that the first thing she does when she wakes up in the morning is to pray, thanking God for another day to manifest her purpose and help others. After that, she drinks about 16 ounces of water. Then she will meditate for 20 minutes on her short and long-term goals.
If you're not drinking water, you're doing your body a disservice, okay? It needs water.
To begin, she kicks off her session with a dynamic warm-up to activate her muscles and increase her heart rate. This usually includes exercises like jogging in place, high knees, jumping jacks, and arm swings. The warm-up will last around 5 to 10 minutes, ensuring her body is ready for the workout ahead. Next, she'll focus on strength training to build lean muscle. Here, she incorporates compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Some key exercises could include squats, deadlifts, lunges, bench presses, and shoulder presses. Venus tailors the weights and repetitions to match her current fitness level, gradually progressing over time to challenge herself further. To enhance her cardiovascular fitness and burn calories, she incorporates interval training into her routine. This involves alternating between high-intensity exercises and brief recovery periods. And this includes exercises like sprints, jump squats, mountain climbers, or kettlebell swings. In addition to her strength and cardio training, she also focuses on core strengthening and stability. A strong core is essential for overall functional fitness. These exercises include planks, Russian twists, bicycle crunches, and leg raises to target her abdominal muscles and obliques. She incorporates some form of cross-training or functional movements to add variety and challenge her body in different ways. This could include activities like boxing, TRX suspension training, yoga, or Pilates. And according to her, these workouts improve her coordination, balance, flexibility, and mind-body connection while keeping her routine exciting and engaging. As it pertains to her diet regimen, Venus revealed that she is a big believer in intermittent fasting and recommends it to anyone wanting to lose weight. She eats within an 8-hour window. She eats from 12 noon to 8 p.m., eating every 2 to 3 hours. And during this diet, she eats about 5 meals. She follows a ketogenic diet. One of the pieces of advice she gives to those struggling with losing weight is to stop eating bad foods, because bad food will only put unhealthy weight on you because it has nothing nutritious in it. She tells people to transition into eating clean food and work with a nutritionist to devise a suitable meal plan. Speaking about her diet, Venus does not eat processed foods, fried foods, sugar, sweets, carbs, and white salt. She eats only food that fuels her body. She says this is because the body was designed to need fuel from the nutritional content of foods. Venus starts her day with a special thermogenic tea, which has about 5 calories, and she puts some aloe in it and a vitamin C tab. One of Venus's favorite options for breakfast is a delicious omelet containing healthy fats and protein. She mixes together a combination of eggs and heavy cream, then sautés a variety of colorful vegetables such as spinach, mushrooms, and bell peppers in grass-fed butter. She then tops the omelet with shredded cheese and a sprinkle of fresh herbs for added flavor. This high-fat and protein-rich breakfast keeps her energized and satiated throughout the morning. Moving on to lunch, Venus prioritizes incorporating quality protein and healthy fats into her midday meal. One of her go-to lunch options is a flavorful salad with grilled chicken or salmon. She starts with a bed of fresh mixed greens and adds an assortment of low-carb vegetables like cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and avocado. She drizzles the salad with a homemade vinaigrette made from olive oil, vinegar, and herbs to enhance the taste and texture. For dinner, she enjoys preparing a variety of dishes that adhere to her ketogenic principles. One of her favorite dinner options is a grilled steak with roasted vegetables. She chooses a high-quality cut of grass-fed beef and seasons it with herbs and spices before grilling it to perfection. On the side, she could roast an assortment of low-carb vegetables such as asparagus, Brussels sprouts, and zucchini in olive oil and seasonings. Venus also said that throughout the day, she prioritizes staying hydrated. Speaking on this, she said, "I consume plenty of water and herbal tea to keep my body hydrated and support optimal functioning. Additionally, I incorporate fats like avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts into my meals and snacks to maintain ketosis and provide long-lasting energy." Venus advises people to understand the importance of listening to their bodies and adjusting macronutrient ratios accordingly while following a diet regime, and also consult with a qualified nutritionist to ensure they are meeting specific dietary needs and maintaining a balanced approach to their dietary lifestyle. According to Venus, she began showcasing her workout sessions on social media to help others receive excitement and motivation from her workouts to push through the burn and finish strong. In addition, she also hoped to inspire people to believe that they can transform their bodies by putting in consistent effort and dedication to their goals. Speaking about her training philosophy, Venus said, "My philosophy is to keep going even when you don't see the results. Consistency with your goals is the magic in achieving visible and sustainable health results."
They'll start it, they'll feel good about it, and then halfway through, or maybe 30 days in, they'll start to feel a little bit discouraged.
In an interview, Venus talked about the benefits of physical exercise. Speaking on her own experience, she said, "Personal development truly respawned my life. By shifting my mindset to a place of love and positivity, I took back my power on this planet and learned how to use my thoughts and energy to manifest peace and the life of my dreams." Venus's mission is to reach and transform the lives of over 1 million people through health and fitness. Over the years, she has made it known that inspiring and motivating others to reveal their greatness within is her joy and passion. Venus has over 350,000 followers on Instagram and many more across other social media platforms. When it comes to maintaining her healthy mental and emotional health, here are some practices Venus incorporates into her life to promote positive mental and emotional health. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Venus prioritizes mindfulness and meditation as part of her daily routine. Taking time to pause, breathe, and center herself helps her cultivate a sense of calm and clarity. Whether it's a few minutes of focused breathing or a guided meditation session, these practices allow her to reduce stress, improve focus, and nurture a positive mindset. 2. Pray. According to Venus, she is a firm believer in God's grace, and every day she gives praise and glory to God, and that really helps her to stay in a positive mental state, knowing that she started her day by conversing with her Creator. 3. Balanced lifestyle. Venus maintains a balanced lifestyle. By incorporating activities that bring her joy and relaxation, she understands the importance of setting boundaries and taking time for self-care, whether spending quality time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or indulging in activities that recharge her. She ensures a healthy balance between work and personal life. 4. Supportive relationships. Venus values the importance of surrounding herself with a supportive network of family, friends, and mentors. 5. Gratitude practice. Venus incorporates a gratitude practice into her daily routine, taking time to reflect on things she is grateful for. Whether through journaling, meditation, or simply expressing gratitude in her thoughts, she acknowledges and appreciates the positive aspects of her life. This practice helps her shift her focus towards abundance, fostering a sense of contentment and happiness.